In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily draw an outline around a person right inside of Adobe Photoshop. So let's get right into it. So once you've got Adobe Photoshop open and you have your photo imported, we're ready to begin with this effect. And to begin with, we first want to start by isolating the person in the photo. So we're going to go over to the quick selection tool on the left-hand side of Photoshop, and we're just going to increase the size of the brush. And now I'm just going to use this quick selection tool to paint over the person and create a mask around the outside of this person. And as soon as you created that, you want to duplicate this layer, so you get a hold Command C and Command V to paste this into its own separate layer. And if we isolate the background, you can see we've removed the background and we only have the person in the shot. So from here, we're going to right click onto the copied layer and we'll go up to blending options. Now in blending options, we'll turn the stroke on and then we'll go into the stroke menu. Now, as you can see, you can change the size, you can change the position, the blend mode, the opacity, the fill type, and the color of the stroke. So we're just going to increase the size of the stroke to around 50 pixels, and then we'll go ahead and change the color to yellow. Of course, though, if you wanted, you could change the fill type, so you could change this from a solid color to a gradient color if that's what you're looking for. Or alternatively, you can change this to a pattern. But we're going to keep this on a solid color now, so we'll change this from yellow to pink. And then of course, if you wanted, you could add some outer glow to the stroke. You could also add some drop shadow, pattern overlay, gradient overlay. You could add anything you want to the stroke and really stylize this effect. But once you're happy with the look of that, we can press OK, turn the background layer back on, and there you go. That is how you make a stroke right inside of Adobe Photoshop. It really is that easy. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.